What's going on, NFT community, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional looking NFT collection profile right on OpenSea. So this is basically an ultimate guide step by step to show you how to create a professional looking NFT collection profile right on OpenSea, which really help you to bring sales and also welcome your new buyer. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional NFT collection profile on OpenSea. So this will really help you to bring more buyers and also welcome your new buyers. So what you have to do is just to make sure your account is connected. So I'm going to be connecting this my account now. So I'm click on this, hit on connect. So now you have more option right here, but the one I'm going to be using is the MetaMask. If you are using Coinbase, you can just click on Coinbase or whichever wallet you sign it with. So I'm going to be hitting on MetaMask. Alright, so you want to click on account, then go to profile. Alright, so as you can see, this is a new profile. So I'm going to be showing you how to set it up to look well, clean and professional to welcome new buyers. So what you want to do now is to make sure you know the name which you want your NFT collection to have on your profile, so you can able to give it a very nice name. As you can see, we have the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and also we have the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and so many of collection that they are out there that are really making huge amount of money. So now you have to make sure that you do your research about which name you want your profile to have and your collection to also have, which will really helps you on this journey. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be hitting on this settings icon right here. So this allow you to first initiate your wallet with OpenSea. So I'm going to be hitting on sign in. Good. So now as you can see, profile settings. So this is where you set up your profile name and your banner and so many things right here. So I'm going to be walking you through how to do that. So the username, you have already chosen which name you want to bear. So but for this, I just want to use let's say bored. Let me just say bored. As you can see, it said invalid username. The name is already taken, so I can use bored Yacht. Let me see if Bored Yacht, and you need to put something like this. Let's see. All right, I think this name hasn't been taken. So now in the bio, this is where you explain what your NFT collection is all about and what a buyer going to get after they partner with you or buy any of your NFT. So now as you can see, you can put your email address if you want them to contact you. Then your social presence as your Twitter, you can connect it to this, or your Instagram, whichever one you have. So the banner right here, you want to tap on it and you want to come down to look for a nice banner. Let me just use this. Good. Then your banner, this is the one that is going to be showing at the back of, so you have to make sure it's look aesthetics. Then you click on save. All right, as you can see, this are successfully saved. So all you have to do is click on preview. Now as you can see, you have a well professional looking profile. So now what we're going to be looking into is how to create a collection for every of your project. So what you want to do is to come down right here, then you go to accounts, you click on my collections. So now as you can see, now you want to create a new collection because you have no collection, it's just a new account. You're gonna click on create account. So now as you can see, we have the logo, so you have to put the logo of how you want your collection to look like I show you the Mutant Ape and the Bored Ape Yacht Club and the rest. So this is how you create. So then you put your feature image. It's still the same thing like a banner that you want it to appear on your account. So now the name, you can put name of your collection to be whatever name you want to name it. You can just put it, that is what is going to be showing. Like you see, we have the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, we have the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So those are the collection name you can put. Then here is where you put the URL if you want to send it to your Twitter, to your friend, so that they can check up your collections. This is where you put the URL so that it can be searchable online. So you can put it right here. Just click on this and just put the name of your collection, how you want the URL to look. So that's very simple to do. Then right here, the description, you have to write the description of your collection. What are people going to be seeing in this your collection, what you are going to be offering them, and what are they going to be getting in becoming one of your buyers. Then also, like here, you can add categories, and also you can add categories for your collections. So like you can see, you have so many links that you can link to it, so people can find you through that, your social presence. As you can see right here, we have the creator earning. What this basically means is when you sold out your NFT collections to someone and the person you sold this out to go ahead to sell out this your collection, when you set up your creator earning, this is going to be giving you a royalty gain. So you are going to be earning money back as the owner of these NFTs. So this is best way to earn passive income. So when other people sell your item, so you're going to be receiving a percentage from these transactions. So as you can see, you can send up to 10, you can send beyond that. So if I click on this, so I'm taking 10% of any sales that any other person who bought my NFT and willing to sell to other people. So I'm going to be taking 10% of their transactions. So that's simple. Then the payout address, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that, but for the security purpose I want to hide this. So I just want to hit copy. I've put my wallet ID, that is where I'm going to be receiving the payment when anybody buy any of my NFTs. So as you can see, the blockchain, I'm going to be leaving it on Ethereum because that is the best. Then this automatic on default is going to mark this. After that, all you have to do is just to come down here and hit on create. This is going to be creating your collection for you. So this is how you create this very simple collection, and it will make your account look clean and professional. And I hope you guys gain value out of this. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future video. And I advise you guys to check out my previous video. I put the link in the video description and also right here at the top of my head right here. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, NFT family. Any question or make requests about tutorial or type of video content you want to see on my channel, you can just jump down to my Instagram and